In sunny suburbia, the Japanese chin puppies discover new territory. Meanwhile, resident cat Angel is resting in a cozy hiding place that's all his. But it's not all his for long. And soon, there's a total puppy takeover. So Angel has only one resort: retreat to the top of the hill. Peacemaker Mom knows that Angel doesn't like being disturbed, so she gathers the meddling troop and leads her pups away. But one pup, Charlie, decides it's time to get along with Angel. Maybe this could be the start of a beautiful friendship.